Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust player attribute highlighting in Football Manager Mobile 2024. So you will be show this game will show you the trend role or the attribute highlighting for you. For example, like this, tap your player, tap the club, first team, and this one, for example, Marcus Rashford. So if you train Marcus Rashford become inside forward, sorry, this this training program or player attribute will be based on inside forward like this: dribbling, passing, shooting, hand decision, movement. Let's change. For example, before is inside forward. Let's see the after. Tap training. Tap into winger. For example, tap to confirm. So this is the winger. The player attribute will be highlighting in winger role here. And let's get back to inside forward. The best role for Marcus Rashford is inside forward. So if you wanna adjust it or turn it on this a highlight, just tap settings button, tap, and this one player attribute highlighting train role. Or if you know by default, this is the recommend role, but I recommend you to be your trend role because you have to change your player role if you must, to make sure or to make the player based on your tactic. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.